words to learn for the Key Stage 3 particle model unit. Right, so a change of state from liquid to gas, right? So liquid to gas, so if we go about water to steam, is boiling. The temperature at which the substance boils, so when it turns from a liquid to a gas, is its boiling point. The process by which a substance changes from one state to another, so that could be gas to a liquid, liquid to a solid, and vice versa, is its change of state. To bump into or hit a particle or surface, we always call it collide when you're talking about particles. The change of state from gas to a liquid, so that's like steam into water, is condensation, like condensation on your window. The movement of liquid or gas particles to a place of high concentration to a place of low concentration. Now there's a bigger definition of that, but that is then diffusion. The change of state from liquid to gas, so that's water to steam, is evaporate, and it could also be boiling. The change of state from liquid to solid, so water to ice, is freezing. This one sounds a bit funny, but in the gas state, a substance can flow and can also be compressed. So the substance is a gas. In the liquid state, a substance can flow but cannot be compressed. So what we're after, can flow, and that is then your liquid. The different types of stuff, that's sorry, scientific sounding, but it's kind of a word that's in there. The different types of stuff that things are made from are materials. The change of state from a solid to a liquid, so that's ice to water, melting. The temperature at which the substance melts is its melting point. A material whose properties are not the same all the way through, okay, so that is then when lots and lots of things are kind of thrown in together, that is your mixture. The tiny things that materials are made from, so the smallest things are your particles, hence the name of the unit. This describes its appearance or how it behaves, is its property. In the solid state, a substance cannot be compressed and it cannot flow. Okay, so even though it's talking about solid state there, we want to know that it is a solid that cannot be compressed and cannot flow. The three forms, solid, liquid, gas, they are all the states of matter. The change from a solid to a gas, so that's something that's on your table and then turns straight into a gas, is called sublime. A material that is not a mixture, it has all the same properties all the way through, is then a substance. Now what you've got to do now is you've got to test yourself. So on the next slide there's going to be a blank sheet, right? What you need to do, you need to pause it and you need to come up with all the words. Now, what you've done now is you've gone through it and you've tested yourself, and now what you need to do is you need to do it again, because what you've got to do is you've just got to keep repeating it. Okay, now once you've done that, right, you should then have all the kind of the key words from the particle model in your head. All right, so they are the words that you then need to be writing into your exam.